Welcome to the Corner Chronicles, the ultimate destination for all things corner couch, decoration, and design inspiration. Our channel is dedicated to helping you transform your living spaces into cozy and stylish heavens, one corner couch at a time. Are you tired of that neglected corner of your room? Wondering how to make the most out of your corner couch while maintaining a harmonious flow with the rest of your decor? Look no further. We are here to guide you through a world of creative possibilities, demonstrating how to infuse your unique personality into every inch of your home. Join us as we explore a myriad of decoration styles from contemporary chic to rustic comfort. Our videos will showcase expert tips and tricks for selecting the perfect cushions, throws, and accent pieces to complement your corner couch. You will learn about color coordination, patterns, and textures that can instantly elevate the aesthetic appeal of your space. But that's not all. We all dive deep into the art of spatial arrangement, showing you how to optimize your corner couch placement to maximize both comfort and visual impact. Whether you have a compact apartment or a sprawling house, our channel is a treasure trove of layout ideas that will breathe new life into your living area. Expect comprehensive room tours where we unveil stunning corner couch setups. They exemplify different design philosophies from minimalist elegance to bohemian charm. We will help you navigate